Hello learners, this is your teacher, Teacher Macy from Flying Kites, your grade 6 teacher, CTS. Our new topic for this term is drawing. Okay, so looking at what we discussed last week, I wanted you to do or explain how we use different tools in drawing. So there was an issue of talking about how to use a ruler, how to use a sharpener, how to use a pencil, and I believe and understand that you did that work well. So today we are looking at further on our drawing. We are going to look at different types of drawing. And what are these different types of drawing? We have two different types of drawing, which is called still life. Still life drawing talks about you observing a certain thing, drawing from what you are able to see. So an example of still life, here is a cup, and I've put it on this table, or maybe I may draw it without showing the table. Okay, so when I'm drawing that cup from what I'm able to see, that is what is called still life. In order for my cup to look presentable, there are some guidelines which I need to follow. So that is my cup now put on a paper. When you look at that cup put on a paper, we have these border lines you can see there that is making up a rectangle shape on the paper. Those are what are called boundary lines or border lines. Then when you look at the size of my cup there, the size of my cup is big enough to occupy almost the space that is there on that plain paper. And that is what I expect you to do. The other wrong way you can do this is by doing the following thing. When you look at the paper there, you have centered nicely your border lines, well centered, but the size of the cup and the positioning of your cup. So you need to center it on the middle part to show the correct way of doing it. Then the other wrong way again of doing that is by, let's look at another picture. Okay, so when you look at our border lines, and let's look at the size of the drawing. The size of the drawing is just too small. There's a lot of space which has remained on our plain paper or on our paper that you may use. I know we're going to use different type of papers. Others will use a plain paper which is an A4 size. Others will use their exercise book which is an A5 size. So the way you center it should also matter, not leaving too much space. Then your drawing will not look nice. The other type of drawing is imaginative drawing. So in imaginative drawing, this is a type of drawing where you talk about your thoughts, something that you are thinking about. You're not even seeing that thing. You are trying to imagine that thing. Like me, I like going to the beach. I would like to go to the beach, but there are no beaches in Zambia. I will try to imagine me and my family at the beach. Then I'll begin to draw showing me and my family at the beach. I'm not really looking at the beach. I'm not really at the beach, but I'm just imagining it, trying to picture it, trying to create live things from a beach. That is imaginative drawing. With these few points, I believe and understand you'll be able to do your work that I have set for you in a correct and right way. With these few points, it has been me, your teacher, CTS grade 6 teacher, Teacher Macy. It's bye-bye for now.